As the process of identifying the target clients and their specific needs is a tedious process. But and we even doubt before if we have given the right support and the right solution to the specific needs of our clients or our constituents. But after CBMS, the process of planning and the process of the management of LGU funds become more efficient and more effective because CBMS is evidence-based. So now it's easier for us to specifically get the profile and identify the specific needs of the particular client. So we are assured that we can provide them the right support and the right help that they really need. And at the same time, as a tool, anytime it's very accessible to us if we want to update our comprehensive development plan and other plans or programs that we have for our constituents, because we already have the database of the entire of all the households, and we have identified already by sector the specific needs that they need.
Ako po si Darwin Pataweg ng Barangay Centro 2. Wala po akong trabaho dahil po sa kulangan po ng puhunan. Ngunit napili po ako mula sa datos ng CBMS bilang beneficiaries ng kanilang proyekto. Maraming salamat po sa tulong na ibigay ng munisipyo mula sa kanilang BUB projects. Nabigyan po kami ng kabuhayan na katulad ditong NegoCart na makakatulong sa aming pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan.
Ang mga pangunahing pangangailangan subalit sa CBMS, natukoy na namin kung saan at sino dapat mabigyan ng programa at proyekto. Hindi lang po yun, nakikita rin namin ang paglipas ng konting panahon at naging epekto ng mga proyekto. Kagaya po yung nasa aking likuran, ang tinatawag na sanitary toilet bowl, na-identify po namin yung mga beneficiaries at sila po yung dapat na makakuha dito dahil po sa CBMS dito.